These are the final 20 toys that complete our 100 toy mega list. But before we start part 3 of our toys series, if you haven't seen part 1 and part 2 of the series, make sure to watch those videos as well. Let's get back to part 3. And trust me, kids absolutely love these. Let's see which one is your favorite. Or slightly punchier. We saved some of the most exciting toys for last. This is the final part of our 100 toy countdown. ASTER Basics. Bubble blower toy. Also known as bubble machine blaster. Look at all those bubbles floating in the air. This toy blows hundreds of bubbles all by itself. Kids can run, jump, and try to pop them, making playtime full of laughter and fun.
Wow, so many bubbles!
Car track set with loops and ramps. This toy comes with long tracks, tall ramps, and fast cars. Kids can build the track, place the car at the top, and watch it zoom down. The loops and turns make every race exciting and different. Ride-on toy car or ride-on animal or ride-on scooter for kids. This is a toy kids can sit on and ride. They can push with their feet and move forward on their own. It helps kids feel independent while having lots of active fun.
I can ride by myself.
Pop-up play tent. This toy creates a special space just for kids. They can crawl inside, hide, or pretend it is a house or secret cave. It is perfect for imagination and quiet play.
This is my house!
Realistic dinosaur toy figures. These dinosaur toys come in different shapes and sizes. Kids can make them walk, roar, and pretend they live in a jungle. It helps children create their own exciting dinosaur stories.
Rah! A big dinosaur!
Construction truck toy set. This set includes trucks like diggers, dump trucks, and cranes. Kids can move the parts, lift objects, and pretend to build roads and buildings. It feels just like working at a real construction site.
Vroom vroom! Go truck! Keep the sand in. We're moving now.
Foam dart blaster, also known as softball blaster toy. This toy lets kids aim and shoot softballs or darts. They can practice hitting targets in a safe way. It makes playtime active and full of energy.
I hit it! My turn!
Kids bowling set. This toy looks like real bowling but made for kids. Children roll the ball and try to knock down all the pins. They can count how many pins fall and play again and again.
I'm down! Let's do it again!
Large building blocks for kids. These blocks are big and easy to hold. Kids can stack them to build towers, houses, or walls. They can knock them down and rebuild using their imagination.
This tower is getting tall. I'll make the wall bigger. Okay, let's build it together.
Magnetic tile building set. These colorful tiles stick together using magnets. Kids can join them to make shapes, buildings, and patterns. The clicking sound makes building even more fun. Stick and connector building set. These blocks connect using simple sticks. Kids can create long shapes, bridges, or creative designs. There is no right or wrong way to build. Silicone sensory board, also known as tube art grid toy. This board has holes and soft silicone tubes. Kids can push the tubes in and out to make letters, shapes, or pictures. Pop Tube Fidget Toy. This toy stretches and bends in many directions. It makes popping sounds when pulled or pressed. Kids enjoy touching it and moving it in different ways. Colorful Magic Spring Toy. This spring moves from one hand to the other. Kids can watch it walk downstairs or bounce gently. Its smooth movement feels magical every time.
Oh, it's moving by itself.
Magnetic Drawing Board, also known as Color Doodle Pad. This board lets kids draw pictures using a pen. When they are done, they can erase the drawing with one swipe. They can draw again without using paper.
Look, I made a house.
Magnetic Ball Drawing Board, also known as Sensory Doodle Board. This board has tiny metal balls hidden inside. When kids touch the surface, the balls pop up to make pictures. They can press them back and start a new drawing. Kids Toy Piano, also known as Colorful Keyboard. This toy has colorful keys that make music sounds. Kids can press the keys to create their own tunes. It helps them enjoy music and rhythm while playing.
Wow, listen to that! I can make my own song.
Electronic Talking Flashcards for Kids. These cards talk when kids place them in the reader. They say words, sounds, or names clearly. Kids can listen, repeat, and learn at their own pace.
Apple.
Pretend Play Kitchen Set with Food. This set looks like a real kitchen made for kids. They can pretend to cook, serve food, and play family roles. It encourages imagination and role play.
I'm cooking pasta. Listen, sizzling. Dinner is ready.
Kids Bath Toy Set or Bath Play Set. These toys are made for bath time fun. Kids can pour water, splash, and play while bathing. It turns daily routines into happy playtime.
Splash.
That's it, all 100 toys are now complete. If this is the first video you're seeing, don't stop here. Parts 1 and 2 are waiting for you with even more incredible toys. Click the playlist on your screen and explore the full 100 toy collection. And before you go, comment below and tell me your #1 favorite toy. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your family and friends, subscribe to ASTER Basics, and hit the bell icon for notifications on more fun and amazing learning videos.